Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are talking about luxury beauty and the kind of products that are totally worth the splurge. We are talking Armani, Prada, Valentino, YSL and Lancome. If you've ever wondered which high-end beauty product actually live up to the hype, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. Let's kick things off with a true beauty icon, the Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. This foundation is a must-have for anyone who craves a flawless, radiant complexion. It provides buildable coverage, leaving your skin looking like velvet with a beautiful natural glow. Whether you're prepping for a day at the office or a night out, this foundation adapts beautifully to all skin types and tones, offering a smooth airbrush finish. Makeup artists worldwide call this one their secret weapon, and it's no wonder. This foundation will transform your skin, making it feel and look pure luxury. Now let's talk about the Armani Maestro Lip Satin. This liquid lipstick has earned its place as its global favorite, and it's easy to see why. The formula is nothing short of extraordinary, creamy, velvety, and full of rich pigments that deliver an intense color payoff. Unlike many matte lipsticks, this one glides on smoothly and feels incredibly comfortable on your lips. The wide range of shades from classic reds to rich berries make it a versatile addition to any beauty collection. This is one of those products that elevates your entire look with minimal effort. Next up is the Prada Lip Balm, a luxury lip care essential. It provides long-lasting hydration, making your lips feel soft, smooth, and nourished. What truly sets this apart is the packaging. It's sleek, stylish, and feels like a special treat every time you pull it out of your bag. A quick swipe of this balm will leave your lips with a subtle glossy shine. It's perfect for anyone looking to elevate their daily lip care routine to something a little more luxurious. Moving on to the Prada eyeshadow. This one's a game changer. The shadows are rich and buttery, blending seamlessly with just a few strokes. The formula is designed for intense color payoff, so you don't have to worry about building up the color. It's perfect for creating everything from soft, sophisticated daytime looks to bold, dramatic evening eyes. This palette keeps colors vibrant and crease-free all day, perfect for long-lasting wear. If you love high-performance eyeshadows that offer luxury without compromise, this palette will quickly become your go-to. Next, we have the Valentino Spike Lipstick. This lipstick is a work of art in both design and formula. The edgy packaging with its signature stud details is instantly recognizable, making this lipstick feel extra special. The matte finish is bold and sophisticated, offering full coverage with just one swipe. It's matte and stays put for hours with no fading or transfer. If you want a striking, luxurious lip look, this lipstick is one you'll definitely want to add in your collection. The Valentino eyeshadow is up next, and this formula is a true luxury experience. It's all about rich pigment, smooth application, and staying power. The eyeshadows blend effortlessly and can be built up for more intense look or used lightly for a softer effect. The shades are versatile and work for both day and night looks, from warm neutrals to subtle jewel tones. If you're looking for eyeshadows that offer incredible color payoff and flawless application, this is your answer. Let's move on to the YSL Love Shine Lipstick. If you love a lipstick with just the right amount of shine, this one's for you. The formula is incredibly smooth and hydrating, offering a glossy finish that isn't too sticky or heavy. It glides on effortlessly and provides a wash of sheer luminous color that makes your lips look plump and full of life. With a wide range of shades from subtle pinks to vibrant reds, this lipstick is perfect for any occasion. This lipstick will make you feel fabulous every time you apply it. And the packaging? Totally luxury. The YSL Lash Clash Extreme Volume Mascara is next. And if you love bold, voluminous lashes, you're going to love this one. This mascara is built for intensity, giving your lashes massive volume and thickness with just one coat. It separates and lengthens each lash, delivering a dramatic, wide-eyed look that lasts all day without smudging. The brush is designed to coat every lash so you get that perfect full lash effect. Whether you're heading to an event or just want to make your lashes pop, this mascara will not disappoint. Now let's talk about the Lancome All Over Concealer, a total game changer when it comes to covering up imperfections. It offers full coverage without being cakey or heavy, blending beautifully into your skin for a flawless finish. Whether you're covering dark circles, blemishes, or redness, this concealer doesn't just hide the problem, it works with your skin to give a natural skin-like finish. If you're looking for a concealer that delivers every time, this one's a keeper. And finally, we have the Lancome L'Absolu Rouge Drama Ink. This liquid lipstick is everything you want in a high-end lip product. Rich color, long-lasting wear, and a lightweight formula. The matte finish is bold yet smooth and it won't dry out your lip. The stunning color payoff and its ability to hold up all day makes this one a standout in any makeup collection. And that's a wrap. Those were the top luxe beauty products that are totally worth the splurge. Whether it's a foundation, lipstick, or mascara, these picks have earned their spot as must-haves for beauty lovers everywhere. Which one are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.